Hi, I'm Eric Forshee, Carolina Homestyle. I want to tell you a little bit about my Amazon chicken tractor. Give you a good review on it. Had it all summer. Been great. I want to show you some of my features I've done with this thing. I started off with a bigger one. It was too big to move around. We got back to the smaller size. Added a rollout box, put some buckets in there. Those work fine too. Got them some natural limbs for roosting. They really like that. Works great. These little bamboos down here are little booty scooters to keep them from getting run over when you're moving it. And one of the things I've done to mine that I seen other people do that they didn't do is I added more wheels. I like to make it easy. I've already raised the back. I got 4 wheels on each side instead of having to pick it up and carry it. It just easily rolls around. See the little scooter working? Keeps them from getting run over. Works great. Added a couple tarps. It come with a little tarp on the back that went on the top. I just used it back there, added a couple more. Used it for a house for quite some time. It's been great. And it works great. These fellas here, we got Flash and Beaker. They enjoy it. And this is how we put them back down. It's not no great extreme job to roll it around, move it around with one person and get it done. That's just a quick review on my Amazon chicken tractor. Like, share, and subscribe. Come see us.